Adding DuraDecor planks to your wall is a quick and easy way to create a wonderful accent in your home.
This video will help walk you through the steps necessary to install DuraDecor planks on a wall.
Before you begin, check and make sure all lot numbers on the packaging are the same. This will ensure you have the correct product.
DuraDecor boxes must be stored flat for at least 12 hours in a 65-degree to 85-degree environment.
In preparation for your project, remove any electrical switches, outlet plates, light fixtures, wallpaper, loose paint, etc. that may interfere with the installation. Also, your wall must be cleaned of dust, debris, moisture, and any damage.
Be sure to patch any holes or cracks and sand smooth. Refer to the included instructions or visit our website for additional information regarding various substrates and warranties. Please pause the video here to review the tools needed for this installation.
In this video, we will be showing you how to install a random pattern horizontal layout. For different designs and patterns, visit duradecor.com for inspiration and tips.
To begin, measure the area and calculate using a plank's width to determine your starting line, which will be in the center of the wall.
Mark this across the wall using a pencil and level. The layout should be balanced with equal-sized planks on top and bottom.
If the top and bottom rows are less than half the width of a plank, move your center line over by half the width of a plank.
When installing your planks, make sure the arrows on the back of all planks are running the same direction.
Remove the release paper from the back of the first plank and throw away. Correctly position the plank gently along your starting line in the center of the wall.
Apply your second plank to the wall, keep it snug to the first, and continue this until you've completed the first row. Be sure to mix planks from different boxes for a more random appearance.
For the end pieces, measure, mark, and cut with a utility knife and framer square, scoring the plank multiple times, and then snap the plank along your cut line.
Be sure to leave a 132-inch expansion gap at both ends of the row when installing to a corner or other vertical surface. As you complete each row, apply pressure with a wall laminating 3-section roller to fully adhere the planks to the wall.
Failure to roll may result in bond failure, as the adhesive is pressure sensitive. We recommend using the remainder of the cut end piece to begin your next row to prevent excess waste. This piece needs to be at least 9 inches in length.
As you continue completing your next rows, make sure to have at least a 6-inch end seam separation between the planks on the previous row to ensure proper spacing.
Fill in rows up and then down from the starting point until your wall is complete, making sure to continue mixing in planks from different boxes.
Throughout installation, be sure to inspect each plank, checking for any defects. On the final rows at the top and bottom, measure plank to fit for the last row, leaving a 132-inch expansion gap.
After 72 hours, expansion gaps can be filled with a flexible caulk. Once you have completed the installation, replace any wall trim, such as baseboard or crown molding. When hanging any pictures or wall decor, be sure to pre-drill through DuraDecor first to avoid any damage.
For more information about maintaining your DuraDecor wall, visit our website at www.duradecor.com.